Hello you guys, my name is Klismann Medrano, and today I will be explaining 4 things today. I'm going to be explaining the epithelial tissue, the connective tissue, the muscle tissue, and the nervous tissue, okay? And also I'm going to explain the function, the structure, and the location of it. So we're going to start off with the epithelial, okay? The epithelial, and there's functions of it, you guys. So it's the protection of the underlying tissue, the absorption of it, and it's selective absorption, so it kind of absorbs what it wants to, and then the secretion of it, and then number 4, the reception of sensory stimuli. Okay, now the structure of it, it's the epithelial columnar cells, and then the epithelial cuboidal cells, and then the epithelial squamous of it, okay? And number 4, and where is it found? Epithelial tissue is usually found on the outer surface of the organs and blood vessels throughout the body, as well as the inner surface of the cavity in many internal organs. Okay, so in that body, your organs are inside, correct? So that's where you're going to be finding those, in the outer surface of it, okay? And then number 2, we're going to explain the function and the structure of the connective and where is it found, right? The location. So the function of it, you guys, it's the binding and supporting. Number 2, it's protecting, okay? Number 3, it's insulating, okay? Number 4, you guys, it is storing and reserving fuel, okay? And number 5 is transporting substance within the body structure, okay? And there's 3 main components of it, of the structure, you guys. So it's gonna be cells, fibers, and ground tissues, okay? And they usually are where they're gonna be located, you guys, is found in the tendon, which connects muscle to bone, okay? And ligaments, which connect bones to bones. So like in the body, where I would like to show you guys where it's located, you guys, it would be like a good example is right here in the arm, okay? There's the muscle right here. There's the connection with these 2 bones and muscle right here, okay? And number 3, you guys, and it's the function of the structure of the muscle, but there's the skeletal muscle, you guys, there's the cardiac muscle, and there's a smooth muscle, okay? So there's 3 types of muscle. And then the muscle tissue provides posture and body, as I'm standing today with posture, and also also heat production and locomotion, okay? So motion, okay? And also the skeleton moves bones to other structure. The cardiac muscle contracts the heart to pump blood. The smooth muscle that forms organs, the stomach, and the bladder changes shape of the facility bodily functions, okay? And then after that, you guys, it's the cardiac muscle cells are located in the walls of the heart, okay? And they appear striated, okay? So they're striated and are under the involuntary control. So with the smooth muscle, you don't control it. Your heart always pumps itself. You know, it's always beating. When you're sleeping, it is beating. The skeleton muscle fibers occurs in the muscle which are attached to the skeleton, and those are voluntary because we are able to move our bodies, okay? And the other ones we are not able to move those. See, it's not like the involuntary like the heart, because it beats on its own. So the last one, you guys, is the function and the structure of the nervous tissue. And nervous tissue is made up of different types of nerve cells, of which have an axon and a long stem like part of the cell that sends actions and messages. So the function of the nervous system are sensory input, integration, control of muscle and glands, hemostasis, and mental activity. The structure of the nervous tissue is the neuroglia, encompasses the non-neutral cells in the nervous tissue to provide various crucial supportive function for neurons. So the way those are work, okay, your brain has a central nervous system and a peripheral nervous system. So that's how it's sending messages to the brain. So like if you got hit by a rock, right? If you got hit right here, it's gonna send a message straight to your brain and let you know. Or like if you put your hand in a fire, that message is gonna send it to your brain and send it back down to move it out the way. Okay, kind of like second nature as well. So that's where it's kind of usually located. You can say, because it's usually in your brain, right? Your central nervous system and your peripheral nervous system is like the farther area of your nerves. So the nervous tissue is found in the peripheral nerves, throughout the body and the organs of the central nervous system, the brain and the spinal cord. So you have a lot of nerves going down, like down here, okay? And pretty much, so there you guys go, you guys. I explained the four: the epithelial tissue, the connective tissue, the muscle tissue, and the nervous tissue, and the location, the structure, and the function of it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I enjoy this class with you guys.